Hi, my name is Annabelle Thompson with the Louisiana Food and Fitness Board, and today we're going to be talking about knife skills. So first off, we have our chef's knife. A chef's knife is an 8 to 10 inch knife used to cut meats, fruits, and veggies. Next up, we have our bread knife, which is an 8-inch knife used to slice bread. And then we have our paring knife, which is a 3 to 4-inch knife used to cut things that are too small for the chef's knife to cut, like garlic and strawberries. Next up, we have our peeler, which is generally used to slice carrots and peel zucchini. First off, we're going to be using our chef's knife to cut chicken. Put your hand in a bear claw and use a sawing motion to cut the chicken into slices. Next up, we are going to be using a bread knife to cut a loaf of bread into slices. Put your hand into a bear claw and cut using a rowing motion. Next, we are going to be using a paring knife to cut a clove of garlic. First, cut 2 to 3 times horizontally through the garlic and then cut 4 to 5 times vertically through the garlic. After that, we will chop the garlic, finishing with minced garlic. Finally, we are going to peel a carrot. Peel away from yourself and make sure to keep a firm grip on the peeler. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something you didn't know about knife skills. And remember, 4-H Kitchens rule.